I'm just feeling myself. I look super cute right now. Like, okay.
Flexi can just pardon my manners. Girl, how you shake it, got a nigga like it's a cold ass moment. Let me go and get my camera. All I wanna know is sexy.
You guys, look at the shrinkage comparison. Look at my hair. Look, this how long it is. Look at the shrinkage.
Gotta believe in knowing. She back at the house, she going. Freaking too and they going. Yeah. But they moved out in Aspen, it's snowing. Yeah. Skin and cut. Got a bitch in the cutty, she want the pie. I won't but no one got a gun in the car. The bitch got a nightlife. I'm popping that G6, I'm on a G6 now.
This is so cute. I don't know. Should I wear it up? Should I wear it down? I don't know. This style is perfect if you want a short hair look, but you have long hair like me, because my hair is super long. But if I ever want to go short, I can just go ahead and do a Flexi Rod Set, like, yeah, and get like that cute little flirty afro type of look. I'm gonna style my hair up. I want it to naturally elongate when I take it down, so I need a hair tie. Do I have one on me?
How you going vegan but still beat no weekend? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap. I see it back in the church, remember who took it at first. Get it, got you a whip, we ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell her go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find
Okay, girlies, so I am back. I did my baby hairs, okay? I did my baby hairs, and I laid it down, but this is the final look. Looking cute, looking good, looking right. Guys, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and definitely leave a comment down below or anything about how you feel about this look. Should I keep it up? Should I have kept it up or should I have kept it down? I don't know. Did y'all like it up or did y'all like it down? Let me know down below. And yeah, thank you for watching my video today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You make it so bold to my face. Why is stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep saying. Where did you